Hi, so today we're going to learn about arithmetic operators, right? In this case, plus, minus, and multiplications. And they give us user input, and we convert it into integers, and then we assign it to two variables, a and b. All right, so let's do addition first. Additions, and then we're going to do subtract, and then we're going to do multiplication. Okay, so now additions. A plus B, easy enough. All right, let's copy that. Okay, paste here, A minus, and then right here, multiplications. Right, run that code, and it work as we expected. All right, now we're gonna go and submit this, and it will work perfectly. So there you go. That's arithmetic for Python challenge in Hacker.